Good afternoon. In this video I am going to discuss shear force and bending moment diagram. First I am discussing about shear force. What is shear force? Shear force can be defined as the total vertical unbalanced force either side of the selected section, either right hand side or left hand side. It means this is our section XX and shear force at section X right side is equal to RB minus W. This is unbalancy in vertical forces right side of the selected section. It means this is shear force at section XX. Now shear force diagram. Graphical representation of shear force along the beam is known as shear force diagram. It defines shear force at each point. Now we will discuss bending moment. Bending moment defines algebraic moment of forces either side of the selected section, either right hand side of the selected section or left hand side of the selected section. It means algebraic moment, algebraic sum of moment. We can write bending moment at section X is equal to, if we are taking right side of the section, RB multiply by X minus W multiply by this distance X minus L by 2. This is shear force, bending moment at section X. Now bending moment diagram. Graphical representation of bending moment along the beam is known as bending moment diagram. It defines bending moment at each point of the beam. And now sign convention for shear force. We will take shear force positive downward right side of the section and positive upward left side of the section. And sign convention for bending moment. It can be defined two types. First one is sagging bending. When our beam deflect upward, means concavity upward, it shows our bending moment is positive. Number 2, hogging bending. When our beam deflects downward, it shows negative bending moment. Next term come to the point of contraflexor. Point of contraflexor defined a point at which bending moment changes its sign positive to negative or negative to positive. Bending moment is equal to 0. This point is known as point of contraflexor. Now I am going to take an example of simply supported beam having uniformly distributed load This is loaded through uniformly distributed load. L is length of the beam. This is point A, point B. Intensity of UDL, W Newton per meter. First, we calculate reaction of the beam. Point A having hinge support at which two reactions, first one is horizontal and second one is vertical upward. Point B having roller support, having only one vertical upward reaction. System is in equilibrium, then sigma F by is equal to 0, means algebraic sum of forces along y-axis is equal to 0. RA vertical plus RV vertical minus W into L is equal to 0. Algebraic sum of forces along x-axis is equal to 0. This is equation first. RAH is equal to 0. This is our answer. Now, third equilibrium condition, algebraic sum of moment about point A is equal to 0, taking anticlockwise positive. Now, moment about point A, first RV vertical multiply by perpendicular distance L minus W Newton per meter UDL, make rotation clockwise, W into L total force multiply by distance. UDL concentrate at mid span of the beam or mid span of the distributed length. Now length is L by 2 is equal to 0. Here RB vertical is equal to W L by 2 Newton. We put RB vertical WL by 2 in equation first. We get reaction at a vertical direction is equal to again WL by 2 Newton. These are our reactions. RA vertical is equal to WL by 2 Newton and RB is equal to WL by 2 Newton. Our beam is in only one portion which is A to B. I am going to start shear force and bending moment diagram from right to left. I am considering a section x general distance from B, and draw the free body diagram of this right side of the beam. Loaded UDL, W Newton per meter, a reaction vertically upward at point B, WL by 2. This is your x distance. Now, shear force analysis at section X. We can write shear force at section X is equal to WL by 2 reaction, apply upward, then minus, because I am taking plus downward. W L by 2 plus W Newton per meter load intensity distributed in X distance, then total load W into X. We apply boundary condition when X is equal to 0. Shear force at point B is equal to minus WL by 2 Newton. When X is equal to L, shear force at A is equal to plus WL by 2 Newton. Now write general equation for bending moment at section X. Bending moment at section X is equal to WL by 2 Newton reaction produce upward bending, means sagging bending is positive. WL by 2 into X, and W Newton per meter load intensity of uniformly distributed load produce downward bending, which means negative bending or hogging bending. Total load of uniformly distributed load is W into X, which concentrated at mid length, means X by 2 from our section, means X by 2. We apply boundary conditions when X is equal to 0. Bending moment at B is equal to 0. And then X is equal to L. Bending moment at A is equal to WL square by 2 minus WL square by 2, again 0 Newton meter. Now draw the shear force. We draw a reference line this point A, B. shear force at x equal to 0 means shear force at point B is minus WL by 2, minus WL by 2 Newton, and then x is equal to L means shear force at point A is plus WL by 2. This general shear force equation at section X is the form of y equal to mx plus c, means equation of straight line curve is straight line. Let's close this diagram is shear force diagram. In this diagram, a point at which shear force 0. Now we put shear force 0 in general equation of shear force. It means W into X minus WL by 2 is equal to 0. Means X is equal to L by 2 meter. From point B. Now I am going to draw the bending moment diagram. Again we draw a reference line. Bending moment at B is equal to 0. This is 0. Bending moment at A is equal to 0. This is again 0. Now x equal to L by 2 put in general equation of bending moment diagram. Now I am putting x is equal to L by 2 in general equation of bending moment diagram. X is equal to L by 2 meter. In bending moment equation, then bending moment at mid portion of the beam, or x is equal to L by 2 meter, is equal to W L into L by 2 minus W L square by 8 is equal to W L square by 8 Newton meter. This is bending moment at mid portion at which shear force is equal to 0. W L square by 8 Newton meter. The equation of this bending moment equation is parabolic equation. X square negative, it means parabola opening downward. Our curve is parabola opening downward. This is bending moment diagram and this is shear force diagram. Thank you.